Hey guys, just a quick video to show you something that's a trade I called last Friday. Like last Friday we started going down at that point, and at some moment I said that when I was going to hit the 50% Fibonacci, it could go just up to 61.8%, then do a pullback and come back strong. That's what I said last Friday. So what I did was, before the market closed last week, I placed an order right here and I bought right here just like 20 minutes before the market closed. No, not 20 minutes, but I don't remember exactly, but I placed an order right here when the 61 Fibonacci candle in 1 hour closed. I just bought here. The reason why I was sure that it was going to bounce first was because it fell to, they say, the 38, 50 and 61, but when you go to take a look further, you see you had a previous resistance hit many times, it fell to break, and what before was a resistance, it became a new support. It was kind of lower, higher if you want to do a range, but it was kind of that point. Then I did another trend line here. The reason why, because I had a huge resistance here, so it went up, up, up. That's a 4-hour chart, and it failed to break. Then it went down, came back. So that was a huge point. That was the area to watch. So when you see this area right here and this other line, that was the area that you should watch. And I'm just closing my application because it's always popping. So when I saw this huge area right here to watch, I just took the chance to buy right here, and it went up right there. When will you know when to get out? Before, once you are in a trade, what you can do is do a new Fibonacci. So you see, went from point A to point B, came back to 50% Fibonacci before bouncing. So your first take profit is about here, your second take profit is about there. So in that case, if you see from the 61 Fibonacci up to the new 50% Fibonacci, you have a trade of 180 pips, more or less. Those are things that you are going to learn in my training, and this with other indicators you are going to see when you're going to get the breakout, when you should continue in the trend, when the breakout is going to happen, and things like that. With all the confirmations, we are always looking. We always want to get in a trade when and only when we get the confirmations. Without confirmation, we never get in a trade. So I had many confirmations, not always with my Fibonacci support and resistance, but with other indicators that I use in my exclusive template, with many indicators that come already with MetaTrader, and some other custom indicators that I use. I use 3 exclusive indicators that help me a lot whenever I am doing my technical analysis.